Hey guys, I am your host. I am your host Subhra from Subhra the Geek. Today I have two products which I wanted to review and unbox on this channel. One is Solimo vegetable chopper, which is a 500 ml, and another one is OTG USB. What is this special about this OTG? Okay, you can see this OTG is for lightning to USB. So this is for my iPad. I will show you why I have taken this OTG and why I have ordered it and why I need it. Everything I will show you in this video. Guys, as always, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell notification icon beside it so that I can make this kinds of videos for you for very long and provide you the honest and succulent reviews of this products. Guys, please subscribe, please support my channel. So without further ado, I am your host Subhra. You are watching Subhra the Geek. Let's start, shall we? So guys, let's start with the vegetable chopper first. I will do the unboxing of that OTG. So in vegetable chopper, what do we get? When we open it, we get the vegetable chopper itself inside this container, and we get a plastic wrap. Plastic, why do you give a plastic wrap, man? Why? Plastic is banned. It causes so much harm to the environment. Why do you give this bags, idiots? Okay, so I think here there is some discoloration, but it will work, so I don't have any issue. Okay, I need to wash this. You can see it's dirty, all dirty. I need to wash this up, then I'll be able to use it. So here there are three points where it gets secured like this. Okay, so you start over here and you just secure it like this and it won't come out. So to use it, you have to pull on it, and now it got stuck. Okay, you have to see for this also. It aligns over there, or else it won't work. So when you pull it, the three blades rotate in varying fashion, and this will chop your vegetables. So are these blades sharp enough? Pretty sharp. These are pretty sharp. So be careful from these blades. The pretty sharp blades. Okay. So it's just this mechanism. That's all. I'll be chopping a lot of veggies with it. Let's see how those turns out to be. And that's all about the vegetable chopper. I think this will work. बच्चा हूँ, बच्चे की जान लेगा, इतने में काम हो जाएगा. Okay, I got this for 259 rupees INR, and I think this will save me a lot of time cutting vegetables. But let's see. Let me use it for a few days, and I can share a review. So next product we have is the USB OTG, and for that let me bring my iPad out. Okay. So my iPad is over here. Let's move. I know that this light is coming, so let me do it like that. So guys, let's open it. Okay, we open it, we get only this dongle and nothing else inside the box. Okay, as you can see. So let's keep this box to the side. Let's take out the dongle. Let's see. Okay, the build quality is very nice. This dongle cost me around 11.99. Okay, yeah. So it's made out of metal. That's the thing. Okay, it supports USB 3 if I'm not wrong. This is blue colored, so I think it supports USB 3. Now let's check for this mouse with my iPad, if this mouse works or not. So as we remember, I use this mouse. Let's check out the dongle. Let's close this up. Let's plug this in. Let's plug this in. So let's turn on the mouse. Let's see if it is detected, and yeah, it's detected. Guys, as you can see, it's detected. This pointer is the pointer to mouse. Yeah. Let's move. Yeah. Guys, it's being detected. So it's a good thing. Let's check out from any of my thumb drives if those are detected or not. So I have a thumb drive with me. Let's power this off. Let's unplug this. So let it be here. So let's check with this pen drive. For that, we'll be going to our files section, and in files, if the pen drive is being shown, then it would be shown very fast on this pen over here. Yeah, the pen drive is being shown, Subhra HP32. This one is the pen drive. And let's play some song from here. So let's go to Zeppelin, disc 1. Stairway to Heaven. Who doesn't love Stairway to Heaven? But I can't play the song, but it as you can see, it is being played. I can show you my gameplay, one of my gameplays. This is the gameplay of me playing CSGO. Let's start. Yeah, as you can see, it's currently working completely fine. Okay, so this is me scrolling through the bar. Now that's it. It's working completely fine. And to eject it, I didn't find any option to eject it from here, but I just pulled it out. That's the thing. Okay, so when you eject it, you just pull it and it will be ejected. So that's the thing. So this drive costed me near about 1200 rupees, and for 1200 rupees I think this is okay, because I can use my USB drives and have those files over here so that I can study with them. And as you guys know, this is my primary device for note taking during my college or any classes, so that's a good thing which I find. And all the drives, all this kind of devices for Apple in India is now costing over like 3000 4000 rupees, and it's quite pricey for me, and I cannot afford that. So this was one of the cheaper options which I found on Amazon, and I ordered it. So I'll be using this a lot, and this is made out of metal, so I think this would be of good quality and it will stay with me for a longer period of time. And that's the thing which I wanted to say. And guys, I bought this pen drive also. It's a 32 gig USB 2. It cost me around 300 and how much, 369, yeah, 370 rupees. So I don't know how was the price right now of this. I'll be posting the links of three of these three items down below, so if you want, you can purchase it. Guys, please do support, and if you are new, you can please support me by subscribing to my channel, please, by hitting the bell notification icon beside it, by by liking and sharing my videos and commenting on my videos. Guys, that was all from me, your favorite host, your host Subhra from Subhra the Geek, signing off. Bye bye.